Hi, this is Andrea Earl with Canvas Tip of the Day, number 14, in 2 minutes or less, wrapping up the semester. The information in this video is specific to the teachers in SAUSD. However, the tips may be helpful to other teachers as well. There's a couple things you need to remember as the semester draws to a close. First, make sure that all of your assignment due dates are on or before the last date of the semester as shown in Aries. For our case, that date is December 17th. Now you can still grade, and technically students could still turn in work on the 18th, but the due dates must match Aries. Also, after December 18th, you will no longer be able to make any changes to those grades for first semester. Also, you still will have access to all of your course materials. So just because the semester has ended and the course has concluded or the semester has concluded, you still have access to all of your files and you can view student work. And this also goes for your students. They can view their work as well. In my next tutorial, I'll talk about setting up your courses for the new semester. Please subscribe and hit the like button. And I always appreciate your comments. Have a great Canvas day.